How do you think that sounds? Too serious? Yeah. Welcome to FUEL Healthy Test Kitchen. My name is Chester. Today we're going to make a keto favorite, a no-sugar peanut butter chocolate bomb. Before we start, hit that subscribe button so you get more healthy cooking videos like this. Let's get started. So today, Gary's going to show us what we're going to need. First, 2 tablespoons of FUEL MCT oil, 8 tablespoons of keto sugar, you can use Erythritol or stevia, a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1 cup of unsweetened peanut butter, and then 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cacao. So what is FUEL Keto Sugar? It's a custom blend of erythritol and stevia. Many of you know what stevia is, but not necessarily know what erythritol is. So today, let's spend a minute and talk about it. Both erythritol and stevia are natural, near-zero sugar replacement. Stevia is actually a plant, where erythritol is actually a fermented yeast fed by corn. Sometimes people refer to them as sugar alcohol, but they're not actually alcohol, only the molecular structure resembles one. There are actually a few popular sugar alcohol out there like xylitol. What is great with the keto sugar is that they have a 0 glycemic index. What it means is that when you take them, they do not spike up your blood sugar. It also is a near 0 calories as a sugar substitute. It's perfect for people who are diabetic, who are on a keto or low carb diet, or simply just want to watch their calorie intake. Some of the properties you should know about is that it has about 70% sweetness to table sugar. This has also a cooling effect in terms of a taste profile, and if you ingest too much, it may cause bloating. Let's get cooking. First, we need to melt down our coconut and MCT oil. I put mine in the microwave for a minute. You're welcome to use a stovetop or any other same methods of heating up the coconut oil. It doesn't need to be boiling, but hot enough to help melt the keto sugar a bit. Next is to mix in the keto sugar. These are more granulated. If you don't like that, go ahead and put them into a spice blender and blitz it till it's finer. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cacao. Stir all in and you have a chocolate sauce. Next, add in the peanut butter. Fold everything together nicely till it's smooth. Use a silicone ice cube tray. Make sure you put a cutting board under it so you can move it afterward. Carefully pour your mixture into the mold. Freeze it for an hour or until it's solid. Okay, I just got this out from the freezer. It looks really good. So all you really have to do is pop it onto a plate and push it in ever so slightly. And this whole pop, it will just pop out. Oh, let's try one. I'm so excited. It's so good. The peanut butter is so smooth, and you can really taste the chocolate and peanut butter. Who doesn't love that? And the keto sugar, give it ever so slightly a little crunch, so it has something to crunch into. You really need to make one for yourself. So there you have it, a no sugar, keto friendly peanut butter chocolate bomb. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions about the recipe, please post on the comment below. You can reach us on email at info@fuelplus.ca. You can also get us on social media at FUEL Plus. Thank you for watching.
You are serious. You're talking about something that is serious.
But it's so boring.
You're trying to be an expert.
I am an expert. Like,